dear students. Today, let's take up the poem Patriotism by Sir Walter Scott. So before we come to this poem, let us first know who this Sir Walter Scott is. Sir Walter Scott was born on 15 August 1771 and died in 21st September 1832. Alright, so he is a Scottish historian, a poet, a playwright, and also a novelist. Let me name some of his famous books. His works are some of his famous works include Ivanhoe, then Ivanhoe, Waverley, Rob Roy, or All Mortality, etc. These are some of his famous works. Now, let us come to the poem. Before we start reading this poem, let me first give a brief summary of what this poem is about. So, here, patriotism, let me first give you the theme. Theme is on patriotism itself, as the name suggests here. Alright, अखोइनी सेक्सन थीम से येंगप कांदा ममिंग से के हारे patriotism से दुम ओइराखा दोइनिबको. This poem deals with the theme of patriotism. The poet feels that a man So here, the poem patriotism, it deals with the theme of Yeah, patriotism itself. The love of one's own motherland. The poet feels that a man who loves his country is a great person, is a very great man who loves his own native land. Alright, so he is the real son of the soil. Who is he? Means the person who loves his country. The poet hardly believes that there will be anyone who has no love for his motherland. Even though we are not a patriot, or even though we are not a very brave or a very popular freedom fighter, we, somewhere deep inside our heart, we love our motherland. Right? So we always have some love and some attachment with the motherland. So the poet Sir Walter Scott describes, or he believes that there will be no one who would not love their motherland. Let's first come to the title first. Patriotism. Patriotism is someone who has love for his motherland. The love and respect for one's own country. So patriotism is the love and respect of one's own country. Like we respect and love India. Right? So it's the same with this. Patriotism. Here, masigi poem is haini ni mana patriotism is haini ni ba kai la na digi hamdina. Sigi waris da ya there is a man who does not love his country, an unpatriotic man. Dugi wari ko but it will be a story about an unpatriotic man who doesn't love his country. When he came home in his native land, no one will respect him or feel pity or would like to be friends with him. So, Sigi patriotism is the unpatriotic man say, in foreign land, citizens of the country will not respect him, even if he is a very rich person, high status, popularity, famous, earnings, he would not be respected by the people. Why? Because he is not a person who loves his motherland. No one will feel pity for him. No one will come and cry. Even if he dies, no one will come and die. Feel pity for him. No one will mourn for him. He will live a patriotic life. Alright. So let's come to the point. Now, let's come to the poem Patriotism by Sir Walter Scott. Great, gentleman with soul so dead, but never to himself had said, "This is my own, my native land," whose heart had never within him burnt, as from his footsteps he had turned. From wandering on a foreign strand, if such dear bread, go, mark him well. For him no minstrel raptures swell. High though his titles, proud his name, boundless his well as wish can claim. Despite those titles, power and wealth, the rich concentrate all in himself. Living shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly dying shall go down to the vile dust from whence he sprung, unweighed, unhonored, and unsung. Alright, so let's see. Great dear the man with soul so dead who never to himself had said, this is my own, my native land. Hi, say kay ni no. Mana great in horizon. Great habadi survive. Survival tawri masa hingi, he is a living being. Hi, who is still alive. Hi, ko. Adagi mana kay hi, the man. Hi, karang man no, the unpatriotic man ko. The poet is talking about a man who is very unpatriotic, means who doesn't love his mother country, motherland. Unpatriotic man amagi maramdani ba husik poet Walter Scott na nami ko sukwa. Ado naman ay hay the man with soul so dead hay man. Magi kawai sige daw soul so dead hay sige because the man's soul is unable to feel anything new. This man, this unpatriotic man is still alive. He is still alive, but as he doesn't have any love for his motherland, the poet considers him that his soul is dead, that he possesses a dead soul. Yadra, mase, magi mamale ba sa mushidra ba nila kay dawya, ma unpatriotic man say even though he is still alive, his soul is dead and hiding in. Yeah, niko. And he never called his motherland as his own. Manala anak ko. Sa tura ka halako itara sa kay manala aga niya. Oh, this is my motherland. This is the land where I was born. Kaya manala ako po do. Ano ko siya how he doesn't love his motherland. Ako itara kay David, even though we are not a very brave freedom fighter and all, we still have some love. Deep inside our heart, we still love our country, India. Likewise, Sir Walter Scott haini is akoigi motherland idamagta love ase adu power da bani ko automatically koi se adu nushi daga da uni adu musi gi unpatriotic men sidi magi nushi bakta phau de adu na magi soul se dead oide aduga madi kaita munda ke sungai haidi ba I love my motherland ha ma musi unpatriotic men je sunga ngam du ko he doesn't even express a single sentence of love for his motherland. Next, whose heart had never within him burned, as from his footsteps he had turned. Next line, whose heart had never within him burned. The point is showing that he is worried about the unpatriotic man. What will happen to his future? He is worried about the unpatriotic man. He doesn't even love his motherland. Who will love him? Next, from wandering on a foreign strand, if such their bread go, mark him well for him. From wandering on a foreign strand, if such their bread go, mark him well for him. No minstrel raptures swell, high to his title, proud his name, boundless his wealth as wish can claim. Despite those titles, power and wealth. aduna mana says that from wandering and hide kadai wanda to master wandering means walking slowly or loitering around where in a foreign country, foreign strange foreign habadi unknown, a strange place. And strand means sandy shore of sea or river of samudra or Turiba Panga Hidaba Pamse. Habidi, which is the highest ports, even though the unpatriotic man roams around the world, wherever Komana Pama from the Chachasanova. Chatarabasu, Maladumana Chaluga, what is a Luboy Tarasumana Halakanda. Oh, if he doesn't forget his roots, then it's well. Good. Yang pay and hiding in the Dumadi Gadawe, Mana XCDA Lamni, this is my native land, hiding Mana Kita, Magi Mamalevas Mushi Hiding, Honto Trabanera, do not get away. Mazia, dead soul can hide in the box, his soul is dead and hide it on the side point, and do not get away. If such a bread go, mark him well. For him, no minstrel ruptures swell in the lap. Minstrel here refers to the singer or musician in the Middle Ages. Singers, musicians may answer the Mahala and Haraudana, when Ishay Jaboy had the Ishay Sakpi and the dog with the rap, Sakpi trade. Because he is an unpatriotic man of the Magida Makta, who's singers, musicians, like a man with the Magida Makta, Sakpi and the dog, Sakpi trade. Raptures are the extreme happiness. The minstrels is not. We're about to show their extreme happiness when the man returns. But at the unpatriotic man or minstrels in God, around red will not swell, filled with pride, where the money chase Yamna, Muski, Majin Pasa Halapasa, Yamna, Harata Yamna, Mook, and a walk, welcoming oil and chase the unpatriotic men or the will never sing higher. Minstrel will not rapture, means will not express their extreme happiness for the man. High to his title, broad his name, boundless his wealth, as wish can claim, despite his title, power and faith. Boundless boundless habadi, limitless. Here, boundless refers to limitless, Magi, next. We can also say immense. Wealth here refers to wealth. Wealth, wealth no high dishonestly, honestly earned. Boundless as well as wish. Although if the man, this unpatriotic man, even though he has a very high status in the society and even he has earned very popularity among the people, he will not be respected or loved by the citizens of his own country in a or wealthy person or the richest man in the world, as he doesn't love his country or he doesn't show any love for his country, his own men, his own citizens in despite those titles, power and wealth, power, status, the riches, wealth, despite all these things, world is luxurious things, he will not be loved or respected by his own people. The rich concentrate all in self. Living shall forfeit fair renown, and doubly dying shall go down to the vile dust, from whence he sprung, unweighed, unhonored, and unsung. The rich concentrate in all in self. Rich happy, unhappy person or unfortunate person. The unfortunate person, why he is called an unfortunate person? Because he is not loved by his own man, own citizen. Magi motherland ni mayam masa nushidam ni masa unfortunate person ni na haibide ko. Adu masa unfortunate person ore karigino magi nasagi power status, then wealth. Despite of all this, masa balay ko masa yamna status wangba powerful or mini higher tarsu magi motherland mi na nushidam ni unfortunate person in hiding. Manadi Masagi mayam city come together, the power status mayam se pulang na lai karga su magi motherland dalay by the citizens of his own country ko adu na masin shi na he is an unhappy person, an unfortunate person na I be the video. Yani ko. Living shall forfeit fair renown. Forfeit means giving up or lose. Renown instead of being a well-known person, a renowned person kahina jane khani haipakanda aduna sei hai je mas kayana how go isnu very popular famous person ko isnu ba kedawani mana patriotic obviously ko magi patriotism se magi on lane bata gari mas kedawani ishibire roi na la ko doubly dying habadi anirak shiba hai double when real death magi when his soul leaves his body what kind of real death not the mama duna masi hinda shi as well as his forfeit of fair name and hydra mana mamale ba kung shidami mayam the hatred of the people of the citizen mayam duna mase adu shi ma respect hira phangaroi he will not be respected by his own people, he will not be loved by his own people, and even though he dies, no one will mourn at his death. Real death ama adudum silani mase adira twice will die twice ni real death ama silani amana kai doba mayam do nusi do mayam hatred mayam mase kai doba do mase do siba or ni siba or sa adoi ni kai to the wild dust from which he sprung unwept, unhonored, and unsung in high city. Wild is something wild, something useless, valueless, bad, disgusting, or the mayam, the wild dust. Why his body does not body his body why does what compare the body of the unpatriotic man to the wild dust? Wild dust in a bed or valueless or going along with because he doesn't love his own motherland haibigini ko valuelessly disgusting oil it's a very bad ko adumana lawe badune mana sira kana kai dawani unpatriotic men sigi magi body se mix up with the earth with the earth mix up to kana kai dawra even the earth dust will become valueless here. Magi body do because it will contain the dead body of the unpatriotic man. Natra. Other unpatriotic man the body the yaw ta ga dinga sagi earth. Yang the rich way na khali ba ko gi earth says he go the valueless or the again hiding. Unwept, unhonored, and unsung. No one will sing at his. No one will mourn at his death. Kanamtana la agama sa una biro el side ko kaya ka chala ka hambi do karam to ro ko kanamtana kapira ro ka masi ba kana aduna mayam sinje edo bogino asagi mina no shibita ba ko magi on people no shibita ba mayam sinje kai da kaniya wahay amatang la ka dun ba unpatriotic ko gi ya ba unpatriotic ko gi ne asagi para tawli ba thok mayam chathu re hoy phare chathu utagari in a foreign country somewhere in a foreign country he has stayed or he has roamed about the world roam around the world but Manila akala kay gumba ay si ay imala ba sa nusi ko hara la hay amani lang pundo ko tari na taga magi nusi ba ut ko yang taga di masi kay daguni mayam se ko ini nusi biga da bani ha du masi kay dawre nusi bi trip mayam ko unpatriotic men everything masai first team the high hidra poichna there will not be anyone who doesn't love his motherland high hidra nusi ni si kay dawre magi mamala ba sa nusi trip ha ut panatra adu si ko mami si di kanam to si thana roi no one will even feel pity for him Marsi bakada piti ko pawir ro ko adun sila ko so this is the end of the poem aduna sa sige poem se kay hadra patriotism hai sida the poet is talking about a man an unpatriotic man who doesn't love his country somewhere in the country there lives a man with his soul and consign so dead kada bagi dead or because he doesn't love his country. Who has never in his life, not even once said to his own country that this is my land. Sungai hai gidi, yan dara. Sungai hai gidi, adu amari any native land say this is my land. I love my motherland. Kami sungai hai jabani na. Siko mo nupa mo katlay na mikon hai gidi. Adu na sungai to kami if we come across such kind of person, ako ni kamay ni react ko niya. Mamala ba siya dali? Ako ni kayo ni siko ang higher dana. Kano khanda ni ba kamai to buni wajan mo ne kai ta aduna sigi mo person say this kind of person is not liked by anyone ko masama ki roots to khangja da mi di kamai na koina nushi ko dai no tatra chumi ko aduna koina masama ki roots ko man respect to ba ngam dra ba mana nushi ba ngam dra ba mama le ma ko nushi ba ngam dra ni du koina kamai na respect to ni how can we respect that person ko how can we love that person magi kamai na mate pa ni do hai ka ni ba aduna Magi Panyaka title si Wang Boishu, even though he is a very famous person, Magi status Wang Boishu or a powerful man or Boishu, he is not respected by people. Common men, he's not gonna respect people in high Mana Tara Akan, Mana Shidam died. Shidakan to it, together with no one will weep for him. Masi Kapiri Kananta, no one will come and mourn at his death. Because she will, oh, Tony might get that kind of habit. And I'm gonna hide away. Nungai kita masih bisa nungai tu hobi ro ini hari, ya apa? Duga mana kerja tu magi si besar, doubly date kan hari ni jangan sah, doubly date hari ni kerja mana masa si berkanda first magi real date tu malai kuah magi adum masih kuah natural mesti dah foto gitu ni, aman kerja maya ansing dugi disrespect hari ni mesti beliau tu maya hatred maya dugi adugi do kang adu tu nak kerja ni masa ikai ba kai ba adu isi na ma pa hing na siba wa ikai pa dala hing na siba do adu so ko dali adu this kind of person such kind of person sa kai dawi they face double date mo ni hai se dan ta ani ya si mo ko ni na ni na si lo sila pa hai se this poem or this whole poem describes a man who never take pride in his country mana ai si sa ko ta ba ko sa da ai country ni ai ni je ni na do adu ta ko ta ko ta ba unpatriotic man Thank you.